Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I wanted to start off on the daily time frame just to show everybody that we have not been able to close down yet. If this does close down on the daily and it breaks that low of the last engulfing move to the upside, then I definitely will start looking for shorts primarily. But we still do not have a fib bounce and we still don't have a big engulfing move to the downside. So more than likely what I was talking about in my morning euro dollar video definitely is still applies. Most likely a wave A, most likely a wave B. Probably right now we're in a wave C, likely to double bottom at either 61 or 78% for a wave C, and most likely continue the uptrend. We have FOMC coming out tomorrow, big news event, which I will be live streaming on YouTube, so make sure to stop in and check that out. And anyways, thank you for watching and happy trading.